The SWEETLab at Portland State University distributed 500,000 internet-enabled water filters and cook stoves in Rwanda last month. This group has also developed water-hauling backpacks, incubators, pumps, and other devices with special sensors and communication technology. I toured the laboratory and talked with Dr. Evan Thomas about his group, which has been building and deploying these devices in 12 countries around the world.
One of the big challenges when you put in something like a water filter is you might be able to see that it works in the lab and prove that it is effective at cleaning water, and we know clean water is good for health, but it's more difficult to measure if somebody's actually using it. Because you might install one water filter or 1,000,000 water filters and go back and visit households, and they'll tell you they're using them, and there might be water in the bottom, and the water might be coming out clean, but you really don't know how much they're using it, or if they're using it exclusively, or if they're using it enough to have a health impact. So we're able to use instrumentation, which is not really a new idea, but it's new in the context of global development.
Kwasi Boateng recently started working in the lab as a doctoral student at PSU. He is studying technology management and has been familiarizing himself with all aspects of SWEETLab's operations.
For now, talking to Evan, he wants me to get into almost everything and looking into more of maybe technology adoption in developing countries.
Zdenek Zumr has worked with SWEETLab since its founding and is a recent recipient of a master's degree in electrical and computer engineering from PSU.
So we have an electronics board, and we need to package that, and packaging it requires a waterproof enclosure, and so I design these enclosures. This one will be injection molded, so we're working with partners that help us with the design specifically for injection molding, contracting with mold makers. Then these instruments have to be attached to things like this one. It's an incubator. They have to be attached to a water filter. They have interface with a cook stove or with a hand pump. And so my job is to figure out how do we get these things to gather the data that we need. When we go to Africa, you can't just attach things to a pump. That's not going to last very long. So sometimes we need to protect the items. We need to give it a secondary packaging. We need to make it invisible, hide it someplace. So it's more than just purely the mechanical engineering. There's also looking at the usage and what the challenges are.
This is Joseph Thiebes reporting for the Portland State Vanguard.